How to remove frequently contacted from WhatsApp 2026 tutorial. Have you ever tried to share a photo or forward a message only for WhatsApp to suggest people you haven't talked to in months, or maybe someone you'd rather not see at the top of your list? That frequently contacted section can be a major privacy headache, especially if you're sharing your screen or showing a friend a photo. Today, I'm going to show you the official, safe ways to clear those suggestions and reclaim your privacy in under 2 minutes. Hi everyone! The frequently contacted list is WhatsApp's way of making sharing faster, but it often feels like it's overstepping. While there isn't a single off switch for this feature yet, there are 3 proven ways to reset the algorithm and hide those names from your share sheet. Step 1. Resetting the algorithm. WhatsApp populates this list based on your recent interactions. The most effective way to remove a specific person is to delete your chat history with them. Long press the chat in your main list, tap the trash icon, and confirm. Once the chat thread is gone, the algorithm loses the data it needs to keep that person in your frequently contacted section. Step 2. Clearing the cache. If the names are still appearing when you try to forward a message, your phone might be holding on to temporary data. On Android, go to your phone's settings, tap Apps, find WhatsApp, and select Clear Cache. For iPhone users, since iOS doesn't have a Clear Cache button, you can achieve a similar refresh by offloading the app in your storage settings and then reinstalling it. This forces the app to rebuild your contact suggestions from scratch. Step 3. Managing the share sheet. If you are seeing these contacts in your phone's system share menu, that's the menu that pops up when you share a photo from your gallery, you can actually disable these suggestions entirely. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap Siri in Search, and toggle off Show when sharing. On most modern Android devices, you can long press a suggested contact in the Share menu and select Pin or Hide to move them out of sight. Here is an expert pro tip. If you want to keep your chat history but hide the contact, use the Archive feature. While it doesn't always remove them from the frequently contacted list immediately, combining an archive with a few days of messaging other people will quickly push that contact off the suggestion list without you having to lose your messages. To wrap things up, removing frequently contacted is all about managing your recent data. By clearing your cache or deleting old threads, you can keep your share screen clean and private. If this helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more WhatsApp privacy tips. Do you think WhatsApp should add a privacy mode for the share sheet? Let me know in the comments.